Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever seen a game on Steam that caught your eye, but you're not ready to buy it yet, adding it to your wish list is the perfect way to save it for later. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a game to your wish list in the Steam app step by step. It's super easy, and by the end, you'll know how to keep track of all your favorite upcoming games and deals. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech guides every week. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Steam app on your computer or mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Now, at the top of the app, you'll notice the Store tab. Click on it. Once you're in the store, look at the top right corner next to your cart icon. There's a small wish list icon. If you click that, it'll show you your current wish list. For new users, it might be completely empty, and that's okay. We're about to add something to it. To add a game, go back to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the game you want. Let's use No Man's Sky as an example. When it appears in the search results, click on it to open the game's store page. Now, scroll down just a little and you'll see a blue button that says Add to your wish list. It's usually right above the Add to Cart button. Click it once and you'll immediately see a checkmark appear. That means the game has been successfully added to your wish list. The best part? Steam will automatically notify you by email or app alert whenever that game goes on sale, gets a major update, or releases if it's not out yet. It's a great way to keep track of discounts and never miss out on a deal. Now, if you go back to your wish list icon, you'll see the game listed there with its details and current price, proof that it's been added successfully. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a game to your wish list in the Steam app in under 2 minutes. It's a small feature, but it makes managing your gaming interests so much easier. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.